Okay, so with this question, we have got some test results. Daniel has these test results for public services. He got 46%. On maths, he got 14 out of 25. English, 13 out of 20. And art and design was 6 out of 10. His tutor wants to compare these results, and we need to list the subjects in order from his best to worst with some evidence to show why we think this. What we'll do is we'll drag these and reorder them however we think correct. So we can't really compare these numbers yet because we've got a mixture of percentages and fractions. So we need to convert them all into the same format. And there are lots of ways of doing it. And unfortunately, I can only really show you one or two ways because I don't want to make it too confusing. But no matter what way I do it, I think it's probably easiest for us to turn all of these into percentages. So one way that we can do it is to, is to take the top of the fraction, divide it by the bottom. Okay, so here, let's do it for maths first. So maths, we're going to do 14 divided by 25, and if we just do that, we get this number, 0.56. That is what the maths score is as a decimal. We want it as a percentage, so we're going to take that and times it by 100. Okay, so this might seem like one of those times where you're just following steps, but sometimes that's okay. So 14 out of 25, we've done 14 divided by 25, we times that by 100, and we get 56, so maths is 56%. So what I'm just going to do, just to make my working out a bit clearer for me, is I'm going to go back to the beginning and just say this is maths. We did all of this stuff, so it's 56%, and that's what maths is. We'll then do the same for English. So we will start by doing 13 divided by 20, which is this number, which we will then times by 100 to turn it into a percentage, which is 65. So English is 65%. Again, we just did top divided by bottom times 100. So top divided by bottom, 0.65, that's what it is as a decimal. Times that by 100 and you've got it as a percent. So finally we've got art and design. We're going to do the top of the fraction, 6, divided by the bottom, 0.6, times that by 100, and that's 60%. So let's just put a percent at the, put a percent at the end there. Cool, so we know what each of them are as a percentage. We just need to put them in order from his best result to his worst result. So his highest percentage was in art and design, which was 60%, so that's the highest. Next was English, which was 65%. Then maths, and lowest was public services, which was 46%. So I guess the key thing to take away is that to go from a fraction to a percentage, you do top divided by bottom, and then you times by 100. That's how you turn a fraction into a percentage. So just redoing one more time, let's just redo our English. We did 13 divided by 20, so top divided by bottom, got this number, which is what it is as a decimal. We then times that by 100, and that turns the decimal into a percentage. So that was why it's 65%. Okay, cool. So key thing to take away, top divided by bottom, times by 100, and that turns a fraction into a percentage. Cool, nice, thank you very much.